Hey there, welcome to your Tabata HIIT Style Workout for leg day. This is going to focus on your legs. What we'll do is we will do exercises for both of them at the same time, some of them individually. When we're doing exercise for one leg, we will do it for 20 seconds, as much as you can, take a 10-second break, and then do the other leg. All exercises today are 20 seconds. If you can't do the full 20, do what you can. Always do what you can, okay? We are going to start off with high knees. You're going to bring your knees up as fast as you can and get them to your belly button. If you can't go fast, you're going to march. So it'll look like this or like this. Begin. Next up, we have squats. So you're gonna take yourself and you're gonna end up going down, like you're sitting on a chair that's not there, and coming back up. Your weight should be on your heels. Your heels should be under your knees, which are under your hips, so you're about hip width apart. I also sometimes like to put my hands on my waist. Good. Next up, we have ankle jumps. So how do you ankle jump? You just don't bend your knees as much. So you're gonna go like this. Okay, it kind of feels like a bunny hop, or which hopping is 1 foot, not 2. Anyway, jumping, mostly just moving your ankles. If you can't do the jump with ankles, you're gonna go up and down and do calf raises. Next up, we have lunges. You're gonna step out, you're looking for a 90-degree angle here and there, and then you step back up. If forward is hard, try backwards. If backwards is hard, try standing like this, bending down and up. When you go lower, it's harder. So if you can't go super low, just go a little bit and up. All right, it's time to switch to the other leg. Same thing, you're just going out, trying to get that 90-degree angle here and there, and if you need it to be easier, you just don't go down as far, okay? If the stepping part is hard, go up and down like this. Last one is a tuck jump. If you cannot do a tuck jump, I'll give you another option in a second. So, tuck jump. You're bending your knees. You can put your hands up if you want to. You're jumping up and you're gonna try to get your knees as high as you can. Like that. Now if you're like, what are you doing? This is supposed to be beginner level. You're gonna take your elbow and you're gonna go across to the other knee and bring it up, okay? If you can't bring it super high, bring it as high as you can. Ready, set, go.